In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notification sounds in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the sound settings, what each option means, and how to tailor alerts so Slack gets your attention when you need it and stays quiet when you don't. Start by opening Slack in your browser at slack.com or use the desktop app if that's what you prefer. The interface is the same for what we're doing today. Once Slack is open, look to the bottom left corner of the window and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu with personal settings. From there, select Preferences. A new window or panel will appear where you can customize how Slack behaves on your device. In Preferences, head to the Sounds and Appearance section. This is the home for everything related to sound effects, badges, and notification previews. Let's walk through the key controls so you understand exactly what they do. First, there's the option to include thread replies in the badge count on activity. Turning this on means that replies to your threads will contribute to the little badge number you see, helping you keep track of ongoing conversations you're involved in. If you tend to collaborate heavily in threads, consider enabling it so nothing slips by. Next, you'll see include a preview of the message in each notification. Enable this if you want notifications to show a snippet of the message content. It's handy for quickly scanning alerts without opening Slack, but if you're sharing your screen or working in public, consider turning it off for extra privacy. You can also mute all messaging sounds from Slack. This silences the pings and chimes while still allowing visual notifications and badges to appear. It's perfect for focus time when you don't want audible interruptions but still want to stay aware of new messages. Similarly, there's an option to mute all huddle sounds from Slack. Huddles are Slack's lightweight audio or video calls, and this setting disables the sounds associated with them. If you join huddles frequently but don't want the start, end, or invite tones to play, toggle this on. Finally, choose your notification sound for huddles. Pick a tone that's distinct enough to notice but not disruptive. If you work in a shared space, a softer tone can be more considerate. That's it. Your changes save automatically. These settings apply to the device you're on, so if you use Slack on multiple computers, repeat these adjustments there too. Customize thoughtfully, and you'll keep Slack informative without it becoming noisy.